SSM Health is joining a growing list of local hospital systems to require staff to get vaccinated. BJC and St. Luke's already have this requirement. And as Sarah Maki found out, SSM administrators say timing is key for this new announcement. So Sarah, what's the timeline for people who work for SSM?
Well, Ann, basically there are two deadlines, but all staff has until the end of September to get at least their first shot of the COVID vaccine. That's because they start their flu campaign on October 1st. And we sat down with one of the system's decision makers about how they came to this conclusion.
It's unfathomable. It shouldn't happen.
Dr. Shephali Wulff says the COVID patients coming into SSM Health these days are virtually all unvaccinated against the disease. With Missouri now #1 in the nation for new COVID cases, her employer is requiring their staff to get the shot.
I think it really pushed our timetable. I think if our infection rate had been flat, and if we weren't worried about the Delta variant being now 30% of cases in Missouri, knowing that our vaccination rate is about 40% for the state of Missouri, I think our timetable might have been a little bit different.
Nearly 65% of the hospital system's staff has already gotten vaccinated. Soon, all will be, even those who caught COVID naturally.
We know that the immunity is more reliable. We know that it's probably more durable than that of natural infection, and we know that it protects against variants, which we don't know that to be true for natural infection.
The hospital system has long required other vaccines and screenings: influenza, hepatitis, MMR, and TB skin tests. Now they will join other St. Louis health systems with COVID shots too. As Dr. Wulff signs off to spend more time with her 2 kids, both too young for the vaccine, she hopes this new requirement protects her work family as well and encourages others to protect themselves.
And I think it sends the right message to the St. Louis community that we, at least as a task force, are united on the science and are united on kind of the right path forward.
Dr. Wulff says they are on solid legal ground with this requirement. A Texas hospital system recently won their case requiring vaccinations, and about 15 to 16 other hospital systems also have the requirement nationwide. Now, locally, Mercy has not made any announcement, and when we reached out, they said nothing new at this point. Reporting tonight, Sarah Maki, 5 on your side.